Hello aspirants, welcome to Aura IAS. To make your geography preparation easy and simple, we are going to launch Geography Prelims crash course. In this course, I am going to cover syllabus. Within 30 days with special focus on important themes and maths along with current affairs interlinking. First, for example, I'll show sea. Recently, we have seen Arabian Sea mini whirlpool. Now, this Arabian Sea mini whirlpool is related to El Nino and Indian monsoon. Because of this small mini whirlpool, our Indian monsoon, it helps our Indian monsoon. It acts as a self-correcting mechanism after the disruption created by El Nino. Like this, we are going to interlink current affairs with the static portion. Next, daily MCQs will be given along with the topic. Daily you have to practice MCQs when unit is completed. Approximately 1500 MCQs will be covered and material will be provided for offline students paper and for online students in the form of PDF material will be provided. See, when you see the material, for example, karst landforms, pointer wise material, it will be very easy and simple for you to learn. Example, conditions necessary for karst development. Thick limestone beds, high rainfall, humidity, well-developed joints and bedding plains, water with high CO2, carbon dioxide, high permeability. If you have pointer-wise notes, then you will easily remember all the points and it is very understandable, easy to remember. Along with the images, we are going to provide the material in our course. Like this, current affairs will be included in our notes and we are going to give MCQs, daily MCQs for each and every topic, and daily last 10 minutes you will be having mapping session. In that maps, current affairs related and already repetitively they are asking about latitude, sea, equator, passing countries. All this we are going to discuss last 10 minutes every day. Throughout 30 days, we are going to discuss maths along with the current affairs MCQs. Even PYQs analysis will be there. So join us to make maths into money and confusion into clarity. Join with us in Aura IAS in Prelims crash course starting from 5th December. Thank you.